There's nothing quite like a warm bowl of soup on a chilly evening, right? It's like a warm hug from the inside out. And you know what's even better? A soup that's not only delicious but also packed with healthy goodness. Today we're making a chicken, rice, carrot, and chicken broth soup that's as comforting as it is good for you. Before we start, let's gather our delicious ingredients. Each one brings something special to our soup chicken, our star ingredient. Chicken is a great source of protein, which gives us energy. Chicken broth. This flavorful liquid forms the base of our soup. It's like chicken's gift to cooking. Carrots. These orange wonders add a touch of sweetness and are full of vitamins that help us see. Rice. Rice makes our soup nice and filling. It's like little clouds of comfort in every spoonful. Now for the fun part. First, we dice our chicken into bite-sized pieces. Think of it as giving the chicken a little haircut. Next, we chop our carrots into little rounds. They look like edible coins. Finally, we measure out our rice. With everything prepped, it's time to let the soup work its magic. We add our chicken, carrots, and rice to a pot with the chicken broth. Then we bring it to a boil, put the lid on, and let it simmer. Simmering is like whispering secrets to the soup, letting all the flavors blend together beautifully. After about 20 minutes, our soup is ready. Each spoonful is filled with tender chicken, sweet carrots, and fluffy rice, all bathed in a savory broth. It's the perfect meal for a cozy night in. If you have any soup left over, lucky you. Let it cool completely before storing it in airtight containers in the refrigerator. You can enjoy it for lunch or dinner the next day. So there you have it, a simple, healthy, and utterly delicious chicken, rice, carrot, and chicken broth soup. It's the perfect way to warm up your body and soul.